Well, hello everyone. It is time for our February 2021 Stitch Fix unboxing. For those of you who are unaware, Stitch Fix is a monthly clothing subscription service. You fill out a little style quiz and you get paired up with a stylist who gets you 5 items every month tailored to your likes and dislikes. I say that, but like they're gonna send you stuff you like, not stuff you dislike. So when I said that, my brain was like, tailored to your dislikes. Anyway, rant, sidetrack, whatever. It's good to film again. We got back from Florida a couple days ago and it was a trip. It was a big trip. And eventually those vlogs will be uploaded to this channel, but probably within a year or so, because I'm awful at editing those vlogs because they take much more work to edit than videos like Stitch Fix or Ipsy or just easy unboxing videos. But I digress. Let's dive on in. So I did not ask my stylist for anything specific. I don't have anything coming up anytime soon to plan for, so we'll see what Holly surprised us with. So if you don't like anything that your stylist sends you, you can send it back and you just don't get charged for it. Normally there is a $20 styling fee, but it will, if you do keep anything, those $20 does get reimbursed to you. I am on something called Style Pass, so it's something they offer you typically after you've done, I don't know, a couple fixes where you, instead of paying $20 per box, you pay $50 for the whole year. And that way you don't feel like you have to keep anything from any box if you don't like it. So let's look at the card. Oh, hello. So on this card will be the 5 items your stylist sent you, as well as a note. So let's see what Holly says. Hello, Amanda, and welcome back for your 17th fix. I was thrilled to see you enjoyed your last fix, and I have some fabulous casual pieces headed your way this fix. I know you love wearing green, so I was excited to see these green skinny pants in inventory today. For a fun outfit, let me know what you think of these pants with the dark purple blouse. For a more casual look, try on the pants with the gray pullover top. Since Texas might be warming up, I sent the black top to layer with the gray cardigan. I do hope you enjoy some of these pieces for your 17th fix. As always, please leave feedback for each item so I can send pieces you will just love and really need. Are there any other cuts, colors, styles, or items you would like to see for this season in your fix? Let me know. All the best, Holly. Okay. Well, we'll see. I don't know how I feel about some of these things, especially because some of these things look like things I can get at Walmart for a much cheaper price, but I digress. This is the invoice, but I don't like to look at it before I've seen the clothes. I like to look at it last. Today we actually have 2 bundles. Oh god, 2 bundles. So I guess we'll do the smaller bundle first. And this, what is this a dress? Oh, maybe this is the cardigan. Ooh, I do love me a cardigan. So this is a cardigan and it does have little, it's hard to see, has a little pocket right here. And yeah, it just looks like a basic knitted cardigan. So we'll try that puppy on. It is starting to warm up already. It's going to be 70 degrees today. The first thing I see is a gray pullover, which, oh, the inside is very soft. That's where it's gonna get me. I feel like I look at it now and I'm like, whatever, it's just a pullover, and then I'm gonna try it on. It's gonna be super cozy and I'm gonna have a hard time letting it go. The next item, it's by Fortune and Ivy, and I do really like me some Fortune and Ivy, and this is cute. So it's just a basic black, almost tank, but it's a little bit on the sheer side, but I think if I wear a black bra, it won't necessarily matter. You can see almost exactly how sheer it is right now with this lighting, but it does have a zipper front, which is that zipper functional? That zipper is functional, so we might have fun playing with that. And then we have some pseudo pockets right here. So yeah, that's really cute. I like that. Another Fortune and Ivy piece. It's one of my favorite brands I've been noticing. So the back looks plain. The front has this fun kind of gold foil design. And let's see, it has a pseudo button front. So you can't actually open those buttons, but there's a little nibble nobble button things. I'm just making things up. It's actually very similar in style to the top I'm wearing, other than with a few minor differences. And then it does look like the sleeves have this cute little tie detail. And then lastly, these must be the jeans she was talking about. So these are a nice, they're almost like a cargo print. Ooh, oh, these are cute. Okay, so I know I'm just showing you the back of these, but the front, instead of a zipper, has a button detail, which I love. Oh my goodness. And then there's no really distressing, but they are a skinny jean and they do look perfect for my perfect little curvy legs. So we're gonna try this on, and hopefully by the time I'm done trying this on, my brain will be a little bit more with it too this morning. I need more coffee apparently. Okay, I didn't really know where to start here, so I ended up pairing the gray hoodie pullover top thing with the green jeans. So pull my hair back and try to give you guys a better look at how this is. It's loose. It is very, very cozy. I like how we can pull this up or down. My only problem with it is I do stitch fix because I need clothes for when I leave the house, and this is not something I would typically wear to leave the house in. This is something I would wear to stay home and edit videos or clean or do nothing. Netflix binging, etc. Need I go on. So I really like this, but unless this is literally like $10, this is probably not a keeper. But it is very cozy and very comfy. As for the jeans, I'll show you what it looks like up high. So it's a pretty high-rise waisted jean, and I really love this detail. They fit basically perfectly. They're not too tight, not too loose, and I think they do a great service to my legs. I'll pan down in just a minute. So I am wearing my slippers with them because it's a little chilly this morning. You know they're just going to get up to 70. But yeah, these jeans are amazing and I want to wear them forever and never take them off. So good pick, Holly. Anyway, okay, so here is the cardigan with the black top, which I'll go over the black top a little bit more in detail. So the cardigan is very cozy. It's comfy, but I don't think it's the most flattering cardigan they've ever sent me, and I really do not need more cardigans at the moment. So yeah, I like it, but I don't think it's gonna be a keeper. As for the black top, so as we saw earlier, it is very sheer, and I tried it both with and without this black cami on underneath. It's kind of hard to tell right now, but this is not the original shirt they sent me. This is something I have in my own closet, and this is the shirt they sent me over it. And this really, for me, only worked with a layering piece underneath. It might be okay if you wear a nude bra, but let's just say there's a lot that would not have made this video okay for YouTube if I hadn't worn this cami underneath it. So something I do like about this zipper, especially because I'm a little bit more on the bustier side, is you can zip it all the way up, but it's a little bit tight here, and if I were actually going to do, I don't know, any sort of physical activity, I would probably want to pull this zipper down. That way I have a little bit more movement, if that makes sense. Yeah, otherwise it's very cute, but I do have some concerns about actually wearing this in the summer, because in the summer it gets stupid hot here and I'm not about layering. Like, I need a very thin, light top with like super short shorts in order to stay cool here in the summer, because it gets insanely hot. And I don't know if this will fit the bill, but it is very cute. So this might be a cute like going out to dinner top in the summer, if that makes sense, but not necessarily like a practical Texas summer top. But anyways, we have one more top to try on and let's see what happens. So here's the last top of the box. Let me get my hair out of the way. So it's a little too high neckline for me, a little too matronly for my taste. And I'm not a big fan of when there's a center line, but then the prints don't quite match down the front of the top. Overall, it's just not quite my style. It's not my favorite. So honestly, if I'm gonna keep anything in this box, it's gonna be these jeans, because these jeans are tight. Anyways, let's go look at the invoice. Okay, let's look at this invoice. So the cardigan was $50, which is about on point for a Stitch Fix cardigan. The this top that I'm wearing right here is $42 on the cheaper end of things as far as Stitch Fix is concerned. The jeans, they're a solid $88 because of course they are, because they're perfect and that's the only thing I really want in this box. The black top was $38 and the hoodie zip up thing was $44. So subtotal is $262. If you do keep all 5 items, you do get a 25% discount. So the new subtotal with the discount is $196.50. So if I were to keep everything, it'd be about $200. With that being said, like I said, I'm kind of feeling like I love the jeans and I'm kind of feeling the black top because even though it's impractical for summer, it's pretty cute and you can wear that a lot of ways. The rest of this, I am not feeling all that much. With that being said, I do have a Poshmark shop. So sometimes what I do, even though if I'm not feeling all of the items in a box, is I'll keep everything just so I get that discount and then I sell the things I don't want in my Poshmark shop and pass along the savings to you guys because everyone who's watching this video probably knows how expensive Stitch Fix can be. And if you don't necessarily want to sign up for the service yourself, you can always just shop on Poshmark or Facebook Marketplace or Mercari, need I go on. There's endless ways to shop for Stitch Fix clothes that aren't actually through Stitch Fix directly. So anyways, if you do want anything that are from this box that I don't plan on keeping, just comment down below, let me know. I will upload this video this afternoon and I'll give it a couple of days to decide what I am keeping because it's still a lot of money to spend on 2 pieces of clothing unless I do keep all 5 and sell the remaining items. There will be a link to my Poshmark shop in the description box down below. And if you're interested in trying Stitch Fix out for yourself, there will also be a referral link down below. We both benefit from that link. You'll get, I believe, $20 off and I'll get $20 off. If it's not 20, it might be 25. I don't quite remember. And if you're still here, thank you so much for watching. Consider doing all the things that make the YouTube algorithm happy, such as liking and sharing and commenting and subscribing and turning on the notification bell. And I actually got all of that down. I didn't forget any of them. Good job, me. Anyways, thank you so much for watching and stay safe out there. And I guess Valentine's Day is coming up soon, so have a happy Valentine's Day.